Hello, we here explained already electrode concentration cells that are of two types: electrode concentration cells reversible to cations and electrode concentration cells reversible to anions. Both that types are already explained. The next types of concentration cells, that is electrolyte concentration cells, that of four types. Electrolyte concentration cells are of four types, that is two types that with transference and two types without transference. We discuss that one by one. First we consider two type of cells without concentrations, without transference. In this electrolyte concentration cells without transference, cells of two electrolytes, two electrolyte solutions. That means electrolyte is same, but concentration is of different. Therefore, that two solutions are considered, and that two solutions are not in contact with each other. Therefore, that is known as without transference. That two solutions are not in contact with each other, that are placed in a separate beaker, though that are connected by salt bridge, then also that are considered as a without transference, not in contact with each other, because that salt bridge not allowed the movement of ions through that salt bridge medium, but it only, what is function of that salt bridge, only supplies ions for maintaining neutrality. That is, if positive ion concentration increases, then salt bridge supplies negative ions, while if negative ion concentration increases, then salt bridge supplies positive ions. In this way, salt bridge only maintain electrical neutrality of that solution, but not transfer that ions through salt bridge medium. Therefore, the two solutions which are connected by salt bridge are considered as a without transference, not in direct contact with each other. There, that electrolyte concentration cells again classified into two types. We already know that, that is with reversible to cations and reversible to anions. First we discuss the EMF equation, example cell reactions, that is respective electrode reaction at cathode and anode for electrolyte concentration cells without transference reversible to cations. Consider the cell of this type. Here silver solid, that is silver wire, is dipped, or silver rod is dipped in silver nitrate solution having concentration A1. This is one electrode, and in another electrode also silver rod is dipped in silver nitrate solution. That two solutions of silver nitrate have different concentration. One have A1 concentration and another have A2 concentration, that are placed in separate beakers, and that two solutions are connected by salt bridge, which is represented here as a double vertical lines between the two AgNO3 solutions. That means that two AgNO3 solutions are not in direct contact with each other. Therefore, this one is, but here electrodes are same, silver rods, both side electrode are nothing but silver rods. Therefore, this is example of electrolyte concentration cells. Electrolyte same but concentration is different. Therefore, electrolyte concentration cells. And here reversible to why cations, because that electrode at both sides is silver, and in solution is AgNO3. That is, which one is common? Silver is common. Silver is anion or cation? It is cation. Therefore, this is example of reversible to cation type. That is electrolyte concentration cell without transference. The two solutions not in contact with each other. Therefore, without transference, reversible to cations. The cell is reversible to cations, that is silver plus. Then cell reactions at anode, oxidation, left hand side. Oxidation takes place as silver solid, equilibrium with silver plus plus, and that positive ions generated, Ag plus ions generated, that migrated in solution having concentration A1 plus 1 electron. Then at cathode reduction, that is at right hand side, reduction takes place where Ag plus ions from solution having concentration A2 accept one electron coming from circuit and converted to silver solid, and that solid formed, solid atoms generated, deposited on that silver rod at right hand side. Therefore, as cell reaction proceeds, right hand rod weight increases. Silver rod, weight of that silver rod increases, while left hand silver rod, due to oxidation, that dissolve in solution, and therefore their weight decreases. By cancelling common factors, net cell reaction becomes Ag plus having concentration A2 equilibrium with Ag plus having concentration A1. By applying Nernst equation, E cell is equal to E standard cell minus 2.303 RT upon NF log of A1 upon A2, reactant side upon product side from net cell reaction. But we know that electron transfer is 1, therefore small n is 1. E standard cell for concentration cells is always 0. And at 298 Kelvin, the value of 2.303 RT upon NF is equal to 0.0591. Substituting all these values, then we got equation as E cell, and that by cancelling negative sign also, E cell is equal to 0.0591 log of A2 upon A1. But we know that activity A2 is nothing but M2 upon gamma 2. Activity A1 is equal to M1 upon gamma 1. Sorry, M1 into gamma 1. Therefore, yes, this equation become E cell is equal to 0.0591 into log of M2 gamma 2 upon M1 gamma 1. For spontaneous cell reaction, A2 must be greater than A1. Based on this, there are some problems. If value of A1 and A2, that is M2 gamma 2, M1 gamma 1, that are known, then we can calculate EMF for the EMF of this type of cells using this equation. All of you remember this equation. For electrolyte concentration cells without transference reversible to cations. This is EMF equation for that particular type of cells. Thank you. We discuss another EMF and another details for another type of cell, that is electrolyte concentration cell without transference reversible to anions. We discuss that after in next lecture. Thank you.